Hey, how you guys doing? This is Bobby, and welcome back to Saddle Hunt. Man, first of all, I want to apologize for the lack of content being uploaded to my channel. This year has been a very unique year. Unfortunately, I lost my niece and a brother. So we all kind of mourn differently, and mine is, just different like everybody else's. But, I've had a chance to work through that and live with that. And now I am back and ready and pumped up for the hunting season. So, man, I got some cool videos coming up. This today, the Staggs StealthPack. Could it be the perfect hunting pack? I also have a couple of videos that I want to do of the Pursuit platform and the new Altimeter gear strap, man. John had sent that to me a few months ago, and apologize to him too. I didn't get a video out, but I do want to compare it to the Latitude gear strap and the Banger from Two Boars. So stay tuned, man. Let's get into the Stealth Pack. Let's go.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game. Okay,
y'all, this is everything I need to hunt short of my bow, myself, and my camel. Staggs StealthPack, no zippers. Powerful magnet, man. Inside, multiple pockets sewn in. Greg said you could use this for SD card or something. I actually use them for my screw-in bow holders if I'm not on public or if I'm just screwing one in anyways. But there's my emergency knife, goes in there. Range finder, coming all the way in at the bottom. Spare carabiner. My grunt tube. On the side, I'll be having my Altimeter gear strap. As I said, that's my one change. Well, first of all, my pull down rope. I like to place everything in my pack in the order that I'd use it. Gear strap. On the other side, my headlamp. And I will have enough room if I wanted to bring a little water bottle to stick on top of there. So here in the front, you got your two open pockets here. I actually use one for my saddle versus like knee pads or something. So we're going there, clip in. Clip in. My other side, 35 feet, a Canyon Elite, my Mad Rock, Beaner, Quick Link. This would easily fit 40 feet of rope, easily. There we go. Now here's the cool part. On the top as well, here on your straps, they sewed in a couple little kind of molly strips to be able to buckle something in. This is where I carry my spare tether. I don't use a lineman belt. I use a spare tether to go around any branches, and I keep it up front in case I was ever in a precarious situation here and here. I'm able to reach that a little bit easier. So my one stick, I have a 12-inch one stick, and it nestles right on the bottom of them pockets and right on the top perfectly. Bring your clips over, secured, tighten them down a little bit. There we go. I will have my pack and play on here as well, so that won't be clicking around like that. But that is the whole pack. That's my entire hunting rig right there. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you liked today's video, man. The Stealth Pack is going to be my go-to pack for this season, and it's going to be hard to replace this thing, but be sure to hit that subscribe on the YouTube channel, man. And like I said, I got some more content coming down, and I am hitting up. I drew for Kansas. I'm heading to Ohio, Wisconsin, and Michigan this year, so I will have way more hunts from the saddle on my one stick with the trad bow. Let's go, man. Thanks for tuning in.